been like a kind of like a dream for me. Went to Korean school when I was like in 3rd grade to 6th grade, and you know, a big part of my memory was after school with my friends, I would stop by this like little cart of hotdog, and it was like this like old lady that would just be making these sweet snacks on the street, and that's how, you know, I thought of, you know, the HOCAKE, because it's this dough that's been fried but with sugary filling that's from my childhood, but you know, why don't I fill it with something savory like pork belly? She really kind of taught me the patience and the love that you have to put into making every single dish. You're not making it for yourself, you're making it for the person that you're making it for. And that's really what Korean food is about. Feel everything, and you dip it into our kimchi hot sauce, which is really acidic, really spicy, but sweet as well. So it's like all of those flavor combinations and textures and temperature all at the same time, and that's like kind of like that, you know, that kind of sensual thing that I want to create when you're biting into it. Okay, yeah, and it's like dripping down your chin, like all the pork fat, and it's like your mouth is like glazed over with like, you know, grease and deliciousness. It's amazing. It's like food is love. Love is food.